All right, so in this video, we're going to be using ChatGPT to try to make GTA from scratch. And we do have one stipulation, which is building this game in less than 30 minutes. So let's see what ChatGPT can do. All right, so let's go ahead and start the timer now. I want you to create code building GTA from scratch. Okay, so it's been building for about 5 minutes so far. All right, so it just finished. Let's see what the first draft looks like. All right, so we just pasted the code inside of VS Studio. So let's see what this gives us. We're gonna go ahead and save it. All right, let's go ahead and run it now. Okay, I can most definitely see where this is coming from. Can we get inside of a car? Okay, we're inside the car. I'm guessing this is the civilians. I'm able to run somebody over. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, but I feel like we can take this to the next level. But for the first run, I think it turned out good. All right, now let's see how we can make this better. Matter of fact, it gives us the suggestions. I want to have weapons and also have a wanted level where I'm chased by the police when committing a crime. Okay, so let's see what this gives us. It's only 5 minutes have passed so far, so we're making good time. We have a wanted level. What else do we have? Okay, we have an updated camera view, so I'm excited to see what that may look like. So the code is finished. Let's go ahead and update this and see what we got. Let's go ahead and save it. All right, now let's go ahead and refresh the page. Think we're armed? Is that what it says? How do I shoot? F to shoot. Okay, we got bullets now. Okay, I see a wanted level. Okay, there's the police. Hold on now. Okay, so the game restarts once we get attacked by the police. I guess this is it right here. So, okay, we can shoot, and when we hit the civilians, the police starts chasing us. Let's see if we can get in a car. Let's see what this looks like. This is pretty decent. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is way better than what I was expecting. I feel like there's more we can add. So, like, let's see what else we can do. We still have a lot of time left. Matter of fact, since they're giving me the suggestions, I'm just gonna go with ChatGPT and see what ChatGPT can do for me. I want you to add all the suggestions above the game to the code. So while that's taking this time to do what it do, let's go ahead and let's see how long we can survive with the police on us. You know, this is what GTA is about. I don't see any civilians right now, so I'm not gonna lie to you, this is pretty smooth. I wasn't expecting it to come out this smooth. I was kind of expecting it to kind of take a few tries, but hey man, we got this off the first generation, so why am I losing stamina for driving though? Like that's another thing I don't understand, so we may have to fix that. But it looks like I'm losing. Can I shoot out the window? Okay, I cannot shoot while driving. That's something we may want to add, but you can see at the top, I'm losing health while I'm driving and nothing is happening, so we got to fix that part. Okay, are we finished? Are we finished? No, we are not finished. It is still thinking. Just finished. How much time do we have left? We have about 20 minutes left. We're making good time. We're gonna have a real functioning game by the time this is done. All right, let's go ahead and add this new code to the game. We're almost set. All right, we're over 1,000 lines of code at this moment, so this right here should be a big change. All right, let's go ahead and refresh the page and see what we got. We got missions now. Okay, and we can also switch our weapons, so we go from a pistol to a shotgun to the SMG. Now let's start off with the pistol and see what the shots look like. We got the shotgun. Okay, let's start with the pistol. You can see we got 1 bullet. Shotguns goes to multiple bullets shot at once. And what about the SMG? Okay, now the police starting to shoot at you too. This is amazing right here. ChatGPT, let me get a round of applause. You get a round of applause, and we still have a lot of time left. SMG. Let's see what this mission looks like. Walk to the yellow marker, get inside the car, raise your wanted level to 2 in 20 seconds. Okay, we're at 2. What's next? Is that the entire mission? I guess that's the entire mission, but why are we not able to shoot out the car though? Unless we can, and I'm just not seeing the bullets. Okay, so we got missions. We're able to switch weapons. We're able to interact with civilians, and we're able to be chased by the police. I mean, listen, it's not the best, but it's also not the worst. I mean, this is something I most definitely could see myself playing if I was bored. Like, this is a decent game. I cannot lie to you. This is pretty much a decent game, but how much time do we got left? We still have time to make changes. We have some more suggestions. I want you to add the other suggestions, but I'm also losing health while driving. Can you fix that? And also allow my character to shoot the weapon while driving. I hope this video does not get demonetized. Okay, so it is thinking. We have 16 minutes left, and based off the game right now, like I say, it's not the best. This is most definitely a step in the right direction. Okay, so it just finished. Let's go ahead and copy this and see what we can do. All right, so it's not a big change, almost 100 new lines of code, but like I said, it doesn't matter how much code we have. We just want a good game. That's all we want. Nothing too crazy. Okay, let's go ahead and refresh the page. What's next? Okay, so it looks like we now have the opportunity to get money. Walk to the yellow marker, start your first job. So I see the money around the environment, but when I get the money, nothing happens. Maybe I gotta be outside the car to get that. Did my car just explode? Like, what was that? Hold on now. Okay, what can we do with the money? Okay, I'm collecting the money, but nothing's happening. Nothing's going up. Let's just try one last prompt, but let's go all out. This will be the last prompt. I want you to add more suggestions that will make the game feel as close as possible to GTA. When I collect the money, it doesn't go up. Okay, so this is the last prompt. Raise the one at level to 2 stars. See, the problem we're having now is when I try to shoot outside of the car, it just blows it up. So the car is exploding. At least it explodes off of impact, but I'm not allowed to shoot out the car. Yeah. Let's see where we at right now, chat. All right, so our last code just finished. So we're sitting at almost 1,600 lines of code. So let's go ahead and save this and see what happens. So we just updated the code and let's see what's new. So I see that we have a gun store up here. Let's see if we can purchase a gun. All right, so I would like the shot. Okay, I don't have enough cash for the shotgun or the SMG. So how do we get enough money to buy those items? So it looks like we can go up to the civilians and press Q to interact. I guess that's how we acquire money, is just going up and robbing the civilians. But let's see if we can get this to 300 first and buy the shotgun. All right, let's open up the gun store and press 2 for the shotgun. So the shotgun has been bought. Can we switch to that? Okay, why am I still firing off 1 bullet? Okay, so we have the shotgun selected. We already own. Let's see if we restart the game. Does that change it? See, now we have the shotgun. So it looks like we gain money through blowing up cars and stealing from civilians. How much? Okay, we get $75 for blowing up police cars and $40 for blowing up regular cars. So okay, that's pretty cool. That is pretty dope. I can tell once the game restarts, we don't get to keep that money. So I mean, just being able to save the money after you die would probably be a good update for this game. But what else has changed? Let's get in the car. It looks like we're able to shoot out of the car now, and it looks like the green things are health orbs that we can collect for ourselves. Okay, let's see if our health goes up. I can't see any more health orbs. Where are the orbs at? So let's just test that theory out. Okay, let's get the cops on us. Okay, we lost health. Yo, oh my gosh, they are going crazy right now. Let's go. All right, where are the cops at? Let's see if we can get up to 5 stars. We're up to 5 stars. Now let's collect some health and see if that makes a difference. Yo, they are on my tail, bro. Like, one thing I can say is it is most definitely like the real game, as far as like the police is not letting you breathe at all. All right, so we collect the health orb and it takes us back to 100%, but they just attack you way too fast for you to have any kind of success evading them. So I mean, I think that's pretty cool. Let's see if it added a new mission, or is it pretty much the same? Raise your level 1 to 2 or more stars and for 20 seconds. Okay, we gotta survive for 20 seconds. I don't think it's possible to survive 20 seconds, to be honest with you, with 2+ stars. Let's try one more time just to make sure. Honestly, it seems like the cars are just way too slow. Like the civilian car is way slower than the police. So I'm not sure if that's a fact or just what I'm observing at the moment. Can we make it 20 seconds? Okay, we're just gonna go around. Okay, oh, I messed up. Oh, they're on me. Well, I don't think it's possible to survive 20 seconds so far. I think this is where we're gonna come to a stop with this game. Let me know down in the comments on what game you would like to see me make next on this channel. And if you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.